Why did traffic deaths rise in 2021? The U.S. Department of Transportation raised the red flag on October 28, 2021, in response to a startling increase in traffic deaths. Unprojected 20,160 individuals died in car accidents during the first half of 2021, an increase of 18.4% from the same period in 2020. The most fatalities are anticipated within that time period since 2006, with that figure. In a formal press statement, U.S. Transportation Secretary Pete Buttigieg stated, "A situation has arisen. In the first half of 2021, more than 20,000 people lost their lives on American roadways, leaving countless loved ones behind. These fatalities cannot and must not be accepted as a normal occurrence in America. To help everyone fighting to save lives on the road, we are announcing today that we will create the department's first ever national roadway safety strategy. This cannot be done by one person alone. To the day when families do not have to say goodbye to loved ones due to a traffic crash, it will take all levels of government, industries, advocates, engineers, and communities across the nation working together." What inspired the increase in road fatalities? The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration recently released data showing a number of reasons that have contributed to the rise in traffic fatalities, including the ones listed below. Speeding. Not using a seatbelt while traveling. More motorists on the road. Driver distraction. Drunk driving. How to combat the road fatalities spike. Acting FHWA Administrator Stephanie Pollock stated that safer roads and safer speeds are essential aspects of tackling this catastrophe of fatalities and serious injuries on our roadways. To ensure that every road that is designed or constructed with federal dollars is safe for everyone who uses it, we are dedicated to a safe system approach and to working collaboratively with local and state transportation organizations. The department will provide a comprehensive set of actions in its first ever national roadway safety strategy, which will bring together work being done across U.S. DOT, to drastically reduce serious injuries and fatalities on our country's streets. The plan would acknowledge that, despite the department's crucial leadership role in addressing this problem, reversing the current trend will require sustained efforts from all tiers of government, the corporate sector, and local communities. In January 2022, the strategy will be made public. Keeping teen drivers safe during the road fatalities spike. Teenagers are always at risk due to their youth, especially when the number of traffic fatalities rises. It's crucial that your driver education program teaches you healthy driving habits for life, not simply how to pass the test. For this reason,